This is Jason with Intricate Coatings, your epoxy expert. In this video, I'm going to show you how to repair an epoxy garage floor with 16th inch flakes. Once your defect is removed from your garage floor, vacuum all loose dust and debris. Next, take acetone and wipe the surface clean for good adhesion. Here I've got my two-part epoxy mixed, blending in with the existing areas, making sure to cover each section perfectly, right to the edge. Next, take your matching flakes that you should save when you do the original job and blend it in perfectly. After the waiting time, go ahead and scrape up the excess, making sure you get all the loose areas and the sharp points. Then vacuum once more. Make sure you get every little piece because you don't want that in your clear. Here's the clear coat, same as the epoxy. Make sure you put it on nice and thick. Get all the edges. And that's your epoxy garage repair. Total time, only 20 minutes. If this video helped in any way, please subscribe and comment on what you would like to see next.